In the event that you're searching for Chilliz cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Chilliz CHZ will go from here on out, we will dissect the previous costs of Chilliz CHZ and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Chilliz is $0.1447 and CHZ is as of now positioned #72 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Chilliz is 8,888,289,967 with a market cap of $1,285,949,573. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.06% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. From most recent 7 days, the CHZ was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 24.33%. Chilliz has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. We foresee future Chilliz cost expectations gauged by applying profound man-made brainpower help specialized investigation on the past value information of Chilliz. We give our all to gather most extreme, authentic information for the CHZ coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Chilliz market cap, Chilliz volume, and not many more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Chilliz value expectation rundown. The typical extended cost for Chilliz in 2025 is supposed to be $0.2727, with expected difference somewhere in the range of $0.2649 and $0.3153. The cost of one CHZ would reach as high as $1.95 by 2030. Chilliz is presently valued at $0.1447 on the lookout. In a bullish situation, Chilliz could outperform the $160.54 mark for 2050, exhibiting likely vertical energy. The negative cost expectation for Chilliz CHZ in 2040 is $94.27, with a possible high of $116.70. Chilliz value forecast 2024. Chilliz cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.1859 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.2093 with a typical estimate cost of $0.1932. Chilliz value expectation 2025. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.2649. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.3153 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.2727. CHZ value figure for 2026. The cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.3814 in 2026. The Chilliz cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.4646 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.3923 all through 2026. Chilliz CHZ value forecast 2027. The cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.553 in 2027. The Chilliz cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.6584 with the typical exchanging cost of 57 cents all through 2027. Chilliz value forecast 2028. The cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.7996 in 2028. The Chilliz cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.9521 with a typical cost of $0.8281 all through 2028. Chilliz value expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of CHZ, in 2029 the cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1.12. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1.35 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.16. Chilliz CHZ value forecast 2030. Chilliz cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $1.68 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $1.95, with a typical conjecture cost of $1.73. Chilliz value figure 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of CHZ, in 2031 the cost of Chilliz is gauged to be at around a base worth of $2.40. The Chilliz value worth can arrive at a limit of $2.93, with a typical exchanging worth of $2.47 in USD. Chilliz CHZ value forecast 2032. The cost of one Chilliz is supposed to reach at least degree of $3.53 in 2032. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $4.18, with a typical cost of $3.65 all through 2032. Chilliz value expectation 2033. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Chilliz is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $4.97. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $6.01 with the typical worth of $5.16. Chilliz value gauge 2040. The reception and genuine use instances of a digital currency are similarly indispensable contemplations. Projects with common sense applications and boundless reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Chilliz cost conjecture for 2040, CHZ is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $116.70 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of CHZ coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $94.27, while the typical cost of the Chilliz for 2040 is projected to be $101.75. CHZ value gauge for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and opinions is urgent. However, feeling can be flighty. Analyzing current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the most extreme cost of Chilliz is supposed to reach $160.54, with a typical exchanging worth of $145.12. The base cost is projected to be around $139.86. Chilliz value estimate facts. What amount does Chilliz cost in 2025? The cost of Chilliz will increment as additional financial backers engage in the undertaking. In year 2025, Chilliz will be worth about a normal cost of $0.2727. What is the Chilliz cost today? Today, Chilliz CHZ is exchanging at $0.1447 with the market cap of $1,285,949,573. How high could Chilliz at any point go? The typical cost of Chilliz CHZ could go to $0.1932 before the current year's